Hello everybody, getting ready to do lesson 7.2 of 6th grade math today. Part 1, Part 2, and Part 3 are available at this email. If you email me, I'll get those out to you. 7.2, solving problems with proportions, using ratios and rates to solve problems. We have a 26-point skill sheet today for classwork, and then 2 points for notebook taking. Here is our spell work for today. Which of the following shows 17.201 in expanded form? Students, for you to figure out. And then which of the following shows 952 thousandths in standard form? Give your students, 3, 4, 5 minutes for this, teachers. Okay, welcome back for solutions here for today's spell work. B would be for number 1 here, or actually it's number 7. 17 and 201 thousandths, 17 and 201 thousandths, 17 and 2 tenths, 2 tenths, and 1 thousandths here will be the correct representation of this number here. And then for 8 to be 900.052, so 52 thousandths. This would be 52 thousandths, tenths, hundred thousandths, 52 thousandths here. Into our lesson today, essential question: how can you solve problems with proportions using equivalent ratios? To solve proportions. A proportion is a statement. This is your classwork, page 1. A statement that two ratios or rates are equivalent. 1/3 and 2/6 excuse me, are equivalent ratios. 1/3 equals 2/6 is a proportion. So, for example, 1 here, Sheldon and Leonard are partners business. Sheldon makes $2 in profits for every $5 that Leonard makes. If Leonard makes $20 profit on the first item they sell, how much profit does Sheldon make? So how do we figure that out? Write a proportion, 2 to 5 here, then 20 Leonard's profit, and how much profit does Sheldon make from that? Sheldon's profit at this point is unknown. How do we find Sheldon's profit? So we multiply through by 4 for numerator and denominator. 4 times 5 is 20. We're down here at 20. Then 4 times 2, it would be profit. So in this case here, $8 would be Sheldon's profit. So if Leonard makes 20, Sheldon makes 8. So that would be that situation there by multiplying through by 4. The members of the PTA are ordering pizza for a meeting. They plan to order 2 cheese pizzas. For every 3 pepperoni pizzas they order, how many cheese pizza will they order if they order 15 pepperonis? So they get 2 cheeses for every 3 of pepperonis. How many 3s are there in 15? There's 5, right? So we multiply 5 times 2 and we get 10 cheese pizzas for 15 pepperoni. That'd be an example there of using proportions to solve this here. Using unit rates to solve proportions, you can use equivalent rates to solve proportions. Finding a unit rate may help you write rates. So example 2 here, the distance Ali runs in 36 minutes is shown on the pedometer here. We have 3 miles here on our pedometer. At this rate, how far could he run in 60 minutes? So if he runs this amount in 36 minutes, how far can he run in 60? Write a proportion. So time distance, 36 over 3, 60 over blank equals time over distance. So we know 36 over 3. What would 60 over blank be? Situation here. So to find our blank here, 60 is on a pole 36. So there is no whole number by which you can multiply 3 miles to find blank. Find a unit rate of the rate you know. So 36 over 3. So you divide through by 3, be 12 to 1. That gives us a rate there. The unit rate is 12 minutes per mile. So in this situation, 60 minutes to an unknown number of miles. You can multiply 12 times 5 equals 60. So multiply the denominator by the same number. So 5 times 12 over 5 times 1. That would give us 60 over 5, which would be 5 miles. So in 60 minutes, Ali can run 5 miles in 60 minutes. That would be one way of doing that proportion. And that is part 1 of lesson 7.2. Part 2 and part 3 are available here, as well as worksheets, tests, quizzes, tutoring, everything at this email. Thank you very much.